Hi friends, first make sure that both TV and mobile phone both are connected to same Wi-Fi network. Here I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. Here in the left side you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that in TV, go to settings, then select system, then select cast. So here we need to select always. Select always here. Then in mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open it. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect nearby casting devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see it has detected my TV. So this is the name of the TV, bedroom TV. Tap on that name. Then tap on cast my screen. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on start now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen while watching video, we can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to stop this mirroring, again go to Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Okay, done. So please try it.